Today we are learning how to grow cabbage. Here is what you need to know. Cabbage likes full sun, 6 to 8 hours, and a long, cool growing season with temperatures between 45 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Start seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before last frost, or 6 to 8 weeks before first frost. Seeds should germinate in 5 to 8 days and mature within 60 to 100 days. Sow seeds indoors 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in individual pots with moist starter soil. Transplant outdoors when seedlings are 4 to 6 inches tall and the temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Space plants 12 to 24 inches apart in rows 24 to 42 inches apart. Water in the mornings when the top 2 inches of soil is dry. Prune by removing unhealthy plants and leaves as needed. Harvest when heads are full and firm by cutting stems at the lowest point. Cabbage can be boiled, sautéed, pickled, or fermented. Store in a plastic bag, whole and unrinsed, in the crisper for up to 2 months. Collect seeds from the dried pods of mature, flowered heads and store in a cool, dry place for up to 5 years. Cabbage can be composted unless it's pickled. There you have it. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.